Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to make a very crispy vada within 10 minutes. For the recipe we are going to use flattened rice. So take 1 cup of flattened rice. This will be little hard. You have to soak this in water. Before that we have to clean it. Clean this properly and drain the water. Soak this in water for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it turns soft. This is after 15 minutes of soaking. This has turned soft. Let us squeeze the flattened rice and transfer it into another bowl. The flattened rice is ready. To this add the required amount of salt, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a small piece of chopped ginger, half a teaspoon of chili powder, few chopped coriander leaves, 1 chopped onion, half or 1 chopped green chili. Mix everything well. Once you have mixed everything well, you can add few curry leaves and 2 tablespoons of curd or yogurt. Now give everything a nice mix. Finally, the consistency of the dough will be like this. Make small balls out of this and shape them. Once you have shaped the dough, you can fry them in hot oil. Deep fry them in hot oil and in medium flame. Flip the vadas and cook the other side. Once they are golden brown in color, we can take them out. This will be very crispy and will taste so good. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.